Everything is turning upside down. Hezbollah has started a fierce guerrilla war in Israel, causing daily losses of soldiers. The Lebanese Hezbollah has therefore launched a massive guerrilla campaign against Israeli forces in southern Lebanon, according to sources on social media, resulting in losses for the IDF. The Lebanese organization even launched a Scud missile with a 1-ton warhead, targeting Israel's Palmakim space base. Multiple Israeli sources reported that Hezbollah launched an attack with Scud ballistic missiles on the Palmakim air and aerospace base in Israel, possibly using the Scud-E version or a similar upgraded variant, marking the first ballistic missile attack launched from Lebanon in the country's history. In the last 15 days, 7 Israeli soldiers have been killed and 48 wounded in ground battles in southern Lebanon, according to recent reports from the front. In Lebanon, Israeli forces are facing fierce resistance and increasing casualties during their ground operation. At least 11 Israeli soldiers have been killed on the Lebanese front since the start of the new escalation in March 1926. More specifically, on March 30th this year, 4 soldiers from the Nahal Brigade lost their lives in fierce close-quarters combat in southern Lebanon. A sharp increase in injuries has also been reported. The terrorist organization Hezbollah is conducting an intense guerrilla war, using ambushes extensively. They use anti-tank missiles, along with swarms of drones, to strike Israeli forces as they advance deeper into Lebanese territory. We remind you that a few days ago it became known that Israel lost 21 Merkava tanks within just a few days during the attack on Lebanon. This was the video. If you liked it, you can subscribe to the channel to receive notifications for every new video. Don't forget to leave us comments with your opinion. Thank you.